What's the meaning of astrolabe? Astrolabe. Astrolabe.
Astrolabe. Astrolabe. An astrolabe is a historical astronomical instrument used to locate and predict the positions of stars and planets. It was widely used by ancient astronomers and mariners for navigational purposes, as well as in religious observances and timekeeping. The astrolabe's design consists of a circular disc featuring various markings and rotating parts that were used to align with celestial objects and make calculations based on their positions. The astrolabe played a significant role in the advancement of astronomy and navigation, and its legacy can still be seen today in modern instruments such as the sextant.